from the customer's perspective, ease of use is something that you touched on. What are the other things that you would say, hey, this will help A, B, and C from their perspective?
Yeah, I mean, the software itself, obviously, a lot of features, right? But generally, what we're seeing as results of kind of using the system properly is people are, you know, for one, managers are saving a hell of a lot of time in their day-to-day workflows, which unlocks them to focus on other parts of their business, right? So, that job that they have that they know they could probably shave 30% off on, now they have the time to go do it. And so we'll see people drop, I mean, they'll drop lead times from 12 weeks to 6 just by like knowing where parts are and being able to finally run more efficient batch sizes. We'll see people get 30-40% throughput improvements just by being able to go back and do some of the time studies, a lot of the stuff that you probably coach too, just because they now have more time to not deal with the admin work. I mean, there's people who have basically been able to not rehire front office roles when people have left, just because it automates a lot of the business workflows around it.
Awesome. Yeah. So we use a phrase about working in the business versus on the business. And the in the business is the minutia, the admin. I've got to manage, I've got to manhandle this thing through, and your software takes place of that. So I can take a step back and say, all right, how can I do this better, faster, cheaper the next time we need to run it? Yeah.
Exactly. That, or, a lot of owners really like just being able to work from home for the first time ever, or go sit on a beach and check on their jobs.
Play around to golf today.
Exactly.
My swing's getting rusty.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of manufacturers we talk to, the owners or managers of that haven't taken vacation in years, just because the only way their workflow works is by being there, checking in on everyone, making sure it's all right. So we just free them up to do that from anywhere and with a hell of a lot more data than they've ever had.